Hello and welcome to this next video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we got the M3 Grant tank. So first of all, just go ahead and clip this plastic support from underneath the gun there and remove that sprue. There you go. And then we're just gonna double check. Looking good to me. Good. And then just check each piece in case there's any clipping away needed. This one for sure. All right. So this one be careful with. Just carefully clip away these things. There you go, that's clipped away. And if you are, I'm working with a 1/72nd scale. If you're working with a smaller scale, be very careful. There you go. Great. So the clipping away process is done. Now let's start to glue this tank together. First of all, let's test fit things here. Yep, that's the way it should go. So go ahead and put a little glue here, here. There you go. So that looks good, well placed. Up next actually is this. I like to test fit things, of course. Good, so we test fit that. So now put a little glue here along that edge and a little glue along that edge as well. All right, good, that's in the center there, all good. Now, why don't you go ahead and put a little glue here. And now, last but not least, for the hull of this tank, a little glue there, and then let's slide this piece in like that. Great, so that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna put a little extra glue here. Sometimes if you have stronger modeling glue, this Loctite's really good for this, but sometimes you could get the extra strong Loctite glue for some particular spots, and I definitely need to do that. Great. Now, since this is facing down a little bit, if you just place it down, it moves it. So anyways, I'm gonna keep it like this then. All right, so the next task, let's put glue like I did there. So you can see how I did those tracks. That goes there, and then just visually inspect it all. Looks pretty good. Let's do the other side now. And then put your turret there. And there you have it, the M3 Grant from Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching.